In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your country's local holidays to Google Calendar using your mobile device. This is a handy feature that ensures you never miss important holidays, helping you plan your schedule more effectively. So let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First up, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you'll need to sign in if you haven't already. Look for the sign in option and either choose your existing Google account or enter the details for the account you wish to use. It's important to be logged into the correct Google account, as this is where the calendar updates will be applied. Once you're logged in, it's time to head to the settings menu. You'll typically find this option represented by a gear icon, usually situated in the top right corner of the interface. Tap on this icon to access the settings. Now within the settings menu, you'll need to locate the Add Calendar section, which is your gateway to a world of useful calendar features. Tap Add Calendar, and then from the next menu, select Browse Calendars of Interest. Here, you're offered a variety of calendars from which you can choose, one of which is the incredibly useful Holidays calendar. Scroll through this list until you spot the Holidays option. Now, it's time to customize which holidays appear in your calendar. You've found the Holiday section, so tap on it and browse through the available country holiday calendars. These are organized alphabetically, so you can scroll down to find your country. Once you locate it, simply tap on the checkbox next to your country of choice. This action will automatically add that country's holidays to your Google Calendar. Don't worry if you need to change this later. You can easily add or remove a holiday calendar anytime. If there's ever a reason you don't want to see holidays from a particular country, just return to this screen and uncheck the box, and that calendar will no longer feature in your events. After you've selected your holiday calendar, you'll want to return to the main view of your calendar. This can usually be done by tapping a back arrow or a home icon. In this main calendar view, you'll see that the holidays from the country you've selected now populate your calendar, seamlessly integrated alongside your existing events and appointments. And there you have it. You've successfully added your country's holidays to your Google Calendar using your mobile device.